Hello scientists, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to draw a cotton plant in Inkscape. This will be a two-part tutorial. This video will focus on the cotton capsule. And I post videos here every week, so make sure you subscribe and like the video. Share them with your colleagues who are also interested in scientific illustrations. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'd let you guys vote for the topics every week. Make sure you follow my social media, check my website. But without further ado, let's start to draw some cottons. I'll grab the ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. And I'll go to path, object to path. So now we have these nodes that we can manipulate the shape. I will move it a little bit. This is not a perfect circle. And the next thing we need to make is a radial gradient inside of this shape. Let's grab the gradient tool. Make sure you switch the mode to create radial. Have your object selected, click the center and drag. And you'll be able to create a radial gradient. We will need gray on the outer side of the gradient and white on the inside. I will click on this gradient handle, double click on it, and we get this spade node. One extra gradient stop, and I will make it white. And I will 4 copies of this, so in total we have 5 cotton balls. Now push this one to the front, this one to the back, and I'll spin it a little bit like this. Let me scale them down. Okay, that's good. Hello Pooja, nice to meet you, nice to see you here. So I'm making a cotton plant today. One of our viewers, Ahmed, urgently need this. Also, we get this as a top topic in the weekly post. All right, I'll make a copy of this cotton cluster. And then I need 2 copies of this. And with this one, I will go to Path, Union, and then remove the fill. Then with this one, I will remove the stroke. So now when I put this outline on top of this cluster, and it will look like fluffy cotton as a whole. Hello Ahmed, I'm glad you make it. Did you see the beginning of the live stream so you know how to make this cotton? And now we will create a cup for the cotton. Let me see, we need a star tool. And corners, let's do 7. Click and drag. We don't see anything now because there's no fill. Hold shift and click on black, and we get to see all the outline. And I'll just scale it down, put it around here. And the fill, I will use this brown, maybe even lighter. Okay, then I'll send this shape to the back. How thick is this outline? 0.25. That will be the thickness of the outline, and also this one. Then let's select the star at the back and switch to Edit Path by Node tool. We will need to convert it from object to path. So now we get all these nodes that we can work on. So now when we drag the handle on the node, we can make the path curvy. Okay, and then I'll make an extra ellipse, also object to path, and then the same color, the same fill, and I'll send it to the back. And also, if you take a look at the cotton plants, there are some of these structures in between each cotton ball. Just use the pen tool to quickly draw something like this. Now make it very thin. Just squeeze it down, make it really thin. So guys, Ahmed Raza is the scientist who emailed me about this topic. That's why we're having this today. So Ahmed, why do you urgently need this illustration? Do you have a deadline for submitting your manuscript? 15th of February, okay. All right, then I understand it's quite urgent. Are you the PI or PhD student? You're from Pakistan, you're a PhD student at National Institute of Biotechnology and Genetics. in Pakistan. Oh, that sounds really cool. Do you guys have a lot of cotton field in Pakistan? You know, that's what I find fascinating about doing this YouTube channel. I get to connect with so many researchers around the world. 5th largest producer of cotton in the world widely. I see. That's really cool. Now we have this. Let's make a stem. At the moment, I will just use a stroke. Three like that. Okay. I'll keep it this way at the moment, then adjust the stem later. This is the cotton, the ripe cotton. And then I will draw the plant for you.